Hey guys, King Gomina once here again, and thank you for coming back for this new video where I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube video thumbnail, guys. For as you know that YouTube videos requires good quality thumbnails, guys. I'm going to show you how to create beautiful thumbnails, so that you can use for your YouTube videos. You can see some of the thumbnails. So I will show you how you can use and create quality good thumbnails using for YouTube videos. So the platform we're going to use today is Canva.com, guys. I've talked about this platform a lot, but guys, this platform can be used for anything design, guys. You don't have to be a graphic designer for you to be able to use this platform, guys. This platform is free to use. It has a paid version. Of course, I'm using the pro version right now, but guys, even with the free version, everything I'm going to be doing today is with the free version, and you're gonna do everything we're going to do today for free. So guys, as you know that quality thumbnail and good thumbnail is good for YouTube videos. Sometimes it's not very easy to get those YouTube thumbnails. So that's why I'm going to show you this platform, Canva.com, right now. I'm going to demonstrate how you can create good quality thumbnail. So make sure you watch this video to the end. So let's dive straight into it. So first of all, you're going to come to this website, Canva.com. What you want to do is come to this place and type thumbnail. So it's gonna bring it up, YouTube thumbnail. You can click on create. Now it's gonna bring in so many designs, so many templates that well professional graphic designers have used in the past. So all these templates, you can use it for free, guys. So you can use all these templates here to create your YouTube thumbnails. No matter what your content is all about, there is a thumbnail for you here, guys. Just come here, select the one you like and edit. So for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna choose one now and edit every part of it so that you see what I'm talking about. So let's say we like this one. Just say I want to edit this one and pick one. Okay, I did this one right now. So as I click on it, it's gonna bring me right to this canvas, guys. This is where all the magic is being done. This is where we're gonna do our custom thumbnail, and it's gonna be looking so dope and professional, guys. So as you can see, this is the image. Let's say I don't even like this background. Let's say I don't like this background. I just come here and click on photos, and it's gonna bring in lots of photos for us to choose. So let me say I want to type in a keyword right now. Let me say YouTube. Let me say YouTube. So it's gonna bring out lots of template, a lot of photos that has YouTube as the tag. So I'm gonna choose one right now to make this really dope. So guys, I forgot to tell you guys. So as you're scrolling down, you can see it's right pro. As a Canva Pro subscriber, you get this premium image for free. So this is pro visual. So because I'm using the pro plan, I can decide to use some of these images. But so we're talking about free right now. So I'll show you some of the ones that are free right now. You're gonna see many of them very soon. So okay, this one's a pro. All right, okay, pro. Most of them here pro. Don't worry, we're gonna see the one we can use for free. So I think we can use this one for free. So what I'll do is that I'll drag and drop it right here. So as you can see, it immediately changes. So what we need to do now is to change the text here. So let's say we made a video about YouTube marketing. So okay, so I'll just need to adjust this a little. I think it's perfect right now. So enlarge it a little. So guys, this platform is very easy. It's just about you knowing, how to drag and drop stuff, guys. It's that easy. So I can decide to change the color of this text, and I'll just click on this place and change the color. Let's see, this. No, it's not looking fine. No, I think that white is okay. I think the white is okay. So this place, so I can decide to change this, and I can decide also to add maybe text. Maybe I just want to add some other text somewhere else. So I just click on it. It brings me straight to this place. So I just take this text and bring it here. Enlarge it. So right when I want to write here, let me say enjoy. So I can change the size, of course. I change 42. Alright, so I can change the color. I think this should make sense. Did make sense a little, sure. So we're gonna use it like that. So now I've done this. So guys, look at this beautiful template now. I've been able to design it here on Canva, even less than 2 minutes or less than 1 minute. I've been able to design this template, guys. So it's very easy for you to use this platform to design your YouTube thumbnails, guys. So if you want to download this right now, what the first thing you want to do is change the name so that you remember what the name is. I can say YouTube I can say YouTube thumbnail. So and click on download. So guys, it's gonna, because I'm using a pro version, it brings me to this place asking me if I want to download this as a PNG file, meaning that do I want to remove the background of this image. So no, I don't want to remove the background. I think it's okay like this. So what I want to do is go ahead and click on download. So if I click on download right now, it's gonna download this file straight into my system, my PC right now. So I'm gonna see this system, this this thumbnail straight into my PC, so I can now upload it to wherever I want to upload it. And guys, that's how I've been able to create my own beautiful YouTube custom thumbnail, guys. It's easy and free to use, guys. You don't need to hack your head or pay anybody to do this for you. You can easily create this stuff yourself and place them on your YouTube channel or on your template. So guys, I'm sure you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I drop new videos like this every time, guys. So make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. Leave a comment if you have anyone. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.